My name is Akshay, and in this vlog, I'll be explaining the stages of decision making through an example. So, there are five stages of decision making, and I'm going to be talking about the first one, which is problem recognition. Problem recognition is when a consumer sees a problem that needs to be resolved, and he's not satisfied with his current state, and he wants to be at a place where he is like extremely happy, or an ideal state. So for me, it would be like I want to try South Indian cuisine. Ever since I've come to Australia, I haven't really had a chance to eat South Indian cuisine, and it's really far, all the restaurants from where I live. So I want to try and eat a dish called dosa, and that's what the what do you call the pleasure after eating dosa. It's amazing. So I just want to have that food and make me feel at home. So the next step is information search. In information search, a consumer looks up for possible solutions by searching to reach his ideal state from his current state. And in my case, I want to experience South Indian cuisine and feel at home. So I looked up for possible solutions online as to where I can find South Indian restaurants. I even spoke with a friend who I have in Sydney, who is also a South Indian. So I've got a few suggestions as to which suburb I should visit to have South Indian food. So right now I'm heading to Harris Park, which is approximately about an hour from where I live. So let's go. So as you can see, it's a pretty day today, perfectly sunny, nice temperature, perfect day to have a dosa. So my options for reaching Harris Park is only one. I can only um, go there via train. So I'm walking towards the station right now. It's around a 55-minute journey from where I live. So, yep, let's go. So I'm at the station right now, waiting for the train. So the next step is evaluation of alternatives. So what that means is basically you look up the possible solutions and different brands or different companies, different products that will suit your need to give you that ideal state. So in my case, I Google searched a lot of Indian restaurants in and around Harris Park, and I checked out the Google reviews, I checked the pricing, I checked the menu, I checked if my dish was available in that restaurant, and then I finally decided that okay, I'm gonna go to A2B, which is a restaurant in Harris Park. It is like the McDonald's of South India. So I am going there right now, and see ya. My main reason for selecting A to B in Harris Park is I checked the reviews, and it was like the rating was around 4.2, 4.4 out of 5. And it's one of the factors. The second factor was that it gives authentic South Indian food, and it's a well known restaurant in south of India. So I never knew they had a chain of restaurants over here in Sydney as well. So I I do check the reviews mostly because that's what I prefer. I want to see what the people are saying. So that was my main criteria for choosing A to B in Harris Park. So yeah. So as you can see, I have arrived at the restaurant. So I'm here finally in Harris Park, and the next stage for the decision making process is decision. So decision can be factored by a number of criterias, and uh, depends on the consumer, and evaluating all of his choices and criteria, and that's how he gets into his decision. So in my case, I came up to this decision after evaluating a lot of things, especially the familiarity criteria, because I'm familiar with this restaurant.
back in India, and it it gives me a sense of home, like I'm back at home. I'm not really sure how it's gonna taste, but I am optimistic that it will taste good since I'm familiar with the restaurant. And I checked the reviews, I checked um, the menu, I checked the ratings, uh, I checked everything before I made this decision. So, yeah, that's how I got into this decision of having my dosa at this restaurant. So, let's go. I'm excited. As you can see, I have arrived at the restaurant, and I'm waiting for the food. In the meanwhile, let's talk about the stage 5, which is post decision making evaluation. So, it is the final stage in which there can be two possible outcomes. You can either like the product or not like the product, it can be a positive or a negative aspect. In my case, I have not yet decided because I haven't eaten my dosa yet. Um, so this is the dosa. It has finally arrived. I've ordered two. These are the different dips that you can eat the dosa with. Okay, so I'll give my post evaluation feedback later. So I finished eating my food. It was really nice. The dosa was amazing. So I think I'm gonna be a loyal customer here. I at least come once a month. So my post evaluation is really positive, and yeah, it can be different for different consumers. It can be negative for some people, but in my case, it is definitely positive. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, please visit A2B in Harris Park and have a dosa over there. I'm not at all sponsored by them, it's just my personal opinion. And you need to try some South Indian cuisine. Okay, thanks guys, cheers.